Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the horizon with the Ducati DesertX, an adventure bike that promises to take you anywhere and everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or a curious road warrior, the DesertX aims to be your two-wheeled companion for any journey. Built to explore. Let's start with what makes the DesertX a true adventurer. First up, ground clearance. This bike sits high, with 250 millimeters of space between you and the ground, allowing you to tackle rough terrain with confidence. Suspension travel is impressive too, soaking up bumps and jumps with ease. Power and performance. But the DesertX isn't just about surviving the wild, it's about enjoying the ride. The engine is a 900cc powerhouse borrowed from Ducati's street bikes, delivering a smooth and powerful 110 horsepower. This translates to exciting acceleration on the open road and manageable power delivery when things get technical. Focus on control. Speaking of technical, the DesertX comes loaded with features to keep you in control. Advanced electronics with multiple riding modes let you tailor the bike's performance to your experience and the terrain. From tackling tricky single tracks to cruising comfortably on the highway, there's a setting for every adventure. Ducati design DNA. Of course, it wouldn't be a Ducati without that signature Italian style. The DesertX has a sharp, aggressive look that screams performance. But it's not all about aesthetics. The design also focuses on ergonomics, with a comfortable riding position that allows you to stand up and maneuver easily when the going gets tough. Unique selling points. Now, what sets the DesertX apart? A couple of things stand out. First, the focus on off-road capability is undeniable. This isn't a street bike pretending to be an adventure bike. It's a true dirt warrior with the performance to match. Second, the DesertX offers a surprisingly comfortable ride for a tall bike. This makes it a great choice for longer journeys where comfort is key. Is it right for you? So, is the Ducati DesertX your perfect adventure partner? If you crave off-road exploration with a dose of Italian flair, then this bike is definitely worth considering. However, its price tag and tall seat height might make it less suitable for new riders or those seeking a strictly on-road experience. Conclusion. The Ducati DesertX is a compelling option for adventure riders who demand both capability and style. It's a powerful, comfortable, and undeniably cool machine that's ready to take you on any adventure you can dream of. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about the DesertX, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what kind of adventures you'd take this bike on it.